2024 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.